Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, we are going to be creating the hottest designer summer outfits of 2019. Don't even at me. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? I'm sorry, I don't understand the question because it's never happening. Guys, are you ready? Let's begin. So I'm going to be using the website ShopLook to put together the hottest designer summer outfits of 2019, okay? Now, I asked some of you on my Instagram, I said, let me know your hot summer pieces for this year. And I chose 3 of them, and we're gonna create 3 looks around each of these items. All the links below will be to these pieces in case you see something that you take a little bit of a shining to. The first situation I've given myself is daytime flex, but not just any daytime flex. This is possibly a brunch situation. The first item that was suggested to me are a pair of Versace mules. We are going to be working the outfit around these shoes. Remember, we're here to make a statement, okay? We're here to make people go, damn, she's looking good and she's doing well, okay? It's summer. Denim shorts. Now, I've been hearing everyone talk about the A gold denim shorts. These look great. $201, give it to me. I feel like we need an oversized tee, possibly like the one I'm wearing. We need oversized, but we need things that are gonna marry into the color story that we're painting here. You know what? Off-white. Off-white do great t-shirts. They end up in the sale. You know, we want something oversized, relaxed. It's a collaboration with No Doubt. It's off-white, what more do you want, okay? So here we are, we've got a cute, we're gonna go oversized though. That one looks a little bit fitted, but imagine oversized, tucked in at the front. You see the vibe? I like it. Now, but I want something extra, okay? I want some accessories, I want some chunky jewelry. I want some chunky silver jewelry. Okay. Ooh, okay. So this one is just from H&M, but do you see what I mean? Something like this kind of vibe. Sod it, let's throw in a pair of hoops, okay? Let's get some big ass, ho-ass silver hoops. Okay, so we're getting that silver vibe and we're carrying it throughout the look. Now we need a bag. Louis Vuitton Alma bag. Do we not feel like this is a look? This is a daytime flex if I've ever seen one. The pink matches the heel. Attention to detail, people. Situation number 2. This is an evening look, okay? This is dinner and drinks. This is a date. Ooh. And the item that I'm gonna base this whole look around that was suggested to me is the off-white jitney bag. Cash inside. I mean, you know me. This is going to be the heart of our look, okay? Now, we're going out, we're trying to look good, all of that. Listen, if there is one evening, piece that I have been obsessed with recently, it's the retro fete wrap dress. It's a staple. This comes in handy for so many. It is just like the perfect going out dress. Dinner, drinks with the gals, going out, trying to get turned. Whatever situation you're in, this dress is just, we need a strappy heel moment because we don't want anything too big. We're not trying to retract from the dress or the bag, so we want a strappy heel. I know exactly where to go, and that is Stuart Sodding Wiseman. Why do I feel like I either want to go with a metallic or let's go for like a sodding pop? I feel like this orange with that green with the black, I feel like it's just gonna set it off. I feel like it's really, really gonna work. We don't need to do too much with this look, but what I feel like we definitely do need are earrings, and I feel like we need some chandelier moment. See? I'm sorry, do we not think that these earrings are just gonna kill it with this look? Especially if you're on a date, let them know from the get-go. This is the kind of bitch that I am, okay? Standards, high. Okay, Last situation, last outfit. I've gone for tourist outfit. Maybe you're going to go see, I don't know, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Is it 7? Is it 8? I don't know. I'm on the spot at the moment. I can't think. The item that was suggested was Chanel Spring Summer 19 sneakers. I've gone for these. These are in like a neoprene material, so guess what? They're going to be super comfy. Now, I saw a pair of Alexander Wang shorts that I'm obsessed with. So we are going to pair it with those. They're like mini boxing shorts, and I don't know why, but this just ticks every box in my mind. Don't worry, we're going to dress it up, okay? Stick with me. We've got white in the trainers. I feel like we need a white t-shirt bodysuit. Cute, comfy, killing it, okay? We don't need like a hoop earring, but maybe we could do something like the Dior Tribales. We're gonna go for these. One is slightly different from the other, and you know what? Why not? Because we're edgy. Ooh, do you wanna know which bag might work with this? The Balenciaga, what the hell is the name of that? Yes. Oh my gosh, this one has a cute little gang scarf on it. Everything. Listen, that is all you need. It's gonna allow each piece to flex to their maximum extent while not being too much on the eyes, you know? If you are still interested in hot summer looks, may I suggest a video that I'm going to post just here. It is my 5 luxury vacation fashion essentials. Guys, I really hope you liked this video. I had so much fun doing it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.